Time for Abhyasa Karyam. Let's solve the exercise. Pronounce the following words correctly. We'll say each word twice. Ushtra Bhratah. Ushtra Bhratah. O camel brother. Camel भाई, जैसे हाथी भाई बोलते हो वैसे ऊंट भाई. Vakraha. Vakraha. Crooked. Chanchuhu. Visarg will capture the sound of the last letter U. So chanchu hu. Chanchu hu. Chonch, the beak. Lajja. Lajja, embarrassment. Puchham. Puchham, tail. Drishtva, not drashtva. Drishtva, after seeing. Swasthyam. Swasthyam, health. Griva. Griva, neck. Shaknoti, half ka and na. Font में थोड़ा अलग लग सकता है. Half ka और na उसमें o की मात्रा. Shaknoti, capable. Swami bhaktaha. Swami bhaktaha is a bhakta to his swami, devoted to the master. Amantram aksharam. ऊपर जो अनुस्वार है वो एक्चुअली मैं चैप्टर में कहना रह गया कि अनुस्वार हमें कभी भी इस तरह से नहीं लगाना चाहिए. अनुस्वार will always mean m sound in Sanskrit. So better to rewrite this instead of anuswar half na. Amantram aksharam. Amantram aksharam. No letter without a sound. Moolam anaushadham. Moolam anaushadham. A mool, a plant that is not a anaushadham. This is nasti. Yojakastatra. Yojakastatra. There, a yojaka, a organizer. Let's answer this. Ushtraha swabhavena kidrisham asti. Vakram. So, Ushtraha, that's why Vakraha. How is the camel by his nature? Is a crooked nature. Vakraha. Ushtraha vrukshasya upari kam pashyati. On the top of a tree, whom does he see? Ushtraha vrukshasya upari shukam pashyati. He sees a parrot. Ushtraha shukaya kim kathayati. Ushtraha shukaya kathayati. Hey Shuka, tava chanchuhu vakra asti. Your beak is crooked. Kasya puchham vakram asti. Whose tail is curved? Kukkurasya. Be careful how many ka are there. Ku, half ka, again ku. Kukkurasya, of the dog. Kaha manushyavanim vaktum shaknoti. Who can speak language of the human beings? Shukaha, parrot. Kasya griva vakra. Whose neck is curved? Bakasya griva vakra, of the crane bird. Kaha marubhumyaha nrupaha asti. Ushtraha marubhumyaha nrupaha asti. Camel is the king of the desert. Kasya swami bhaktihi prachalita. Kukkurasya swami bhaktihi prachalita. The devotion towards the master is popular of the dog. Whichever sentence are truth, we will say am, correct. If it is false, we will say na. This is incorrect. Shukaha swabhavena vakraha asti. Shukaha na. So this is na. The correct answer will be Ushtraha swabhavena vakraha asti, not the parrot. Shukasya chanchuhu vakra asti. Yes. The parrot's beak is vakra. Bakaha manushyavanim vaktum shaknoti. I don't know. I have never seen a crane speak. I have seen a shukaha, a parrot say. So this is na. Shukasya ekagrata prachalita asti. No, I have never seen this. Bakasya ekagrata. I have seen a bakaha. Oh, shamyatam. This is na. Focus is great done by a crane bird, not a parrot. Ushtraha marubhumyaha nrupaha asti. Camel is the king of the desert. Correct. So we have 2 arm and 3 n. There is a, b and k equivalent to a, b and c. A, b, b and k equivalent to c. They should have written kakhaga. Why avaka? Okay. So ushtraha vane atati. So matching the karta, karma and kriya, meaning subject, object and verb. Suitable sentences have to be formed. The example has been given. Ushtraha vane atati. Full stop here. Meaning a camel roams around in the forest. I'll do the aham first. Aham khadami, because rest all are ti ending. Only aham khadami is possible answer. Aham kim khadami? Aham modakam khadami. So I'll match this. Then we have a shukaha, a parrot. Shukaha kim karoti? Shukaha lajjam anubhavati. He got embarrassed in the story, right? Shukaha lajjam anubhavati. Kishanaha and Mala are the name of a boy and a girl. Kim karoti? Any answer is possible. Pibati pathati. I'll do first. Kishanaha jalam pibati. He drinks water. Mala jalam pibati, also possible. Mala pustakam pathati. You can also write Kishanaha pustakam pathati. He reads a book. Frame sentences as shown in the example illustration. Virajaha krishaha asti. Kintu shaktiman asti. The boy Viraj is krishaha, very thin, but he is shaktiman, he is shaktishali. He is powerful. The girl named Amita. Amita shishuhu. Kintu nirbhaya asti. Even though she is a child, then also she is fearless. Nima vrukshah tiktaha. Kintu gunakari asti. Now tiktaha ka matlab tikha nahi hota hai. Tikta in Sanskrit means karwa. Okay. So although this nima is bitter, then also it is gunakari, having medicinal properties. So that's why beneficial. Rugnalayaha laguhu. Kintu swachha asti. As you say Himalayaha, Pustakalayaha, Bhojanalayaha, let's divide this word into two. Rugna, Alay. Alay is a house of Rugna, patient. So patient का जो घर है Rugnalaya, meaning a hospital or a medical center, it's very lagu. Even though it is small, swachha asti is very neat and clean. Parvataha durataha kintu ramaniyaha asti. The mountain, although is very far away, looks beautiful. Kokilaha krishnaha kintu madhubhashi asti. Kokilaha koyal. Although this koyal, cuckoo, is very black in color, but speaks good, speaks sweet. So here we learned how to use kintu. Actually, kintu एक सीधा शब्द नहीं है. It's not always like that, kintu. It's made up of two words. Do you want to know? Kintu is made up of two things. The ma which we see is actually kim plus tu. Ma changes into na so that they can make a single word and adjust with ta. Ta का अंतिम है न. ta tha, da dha, na. इसीलिए वो न में change होता है. किम यानी what and तो is तो. इसीलिए ये किंतु वर्ड बना. किंतु का डायरेक्ट मीनिंग होता है but. Although this is the case, but this is the case. Asti. These are all asti. ये है. And now the next illustration is Eshaha bakaha. This is a crane bird. Eshaha bakaha tasya ekagrata prachalita. Prachalita popular, prakhyat. क्या प्रख्यात है? एकाग्रता. The focus of his, we say tasya, his. Ekagrata prachalita is popular. In the next question, there is a mistake in the textbook. Shukaha, we know parrot. Parrot is not a Swami Bhakta. So cancel this word and write Manushyavani first, and then we will solve this. Here, everywhere the answer will be tasya And the last word after this will always be prachalita. I checked all the words. Vani, Bhakti, Shakti, Nishtha, Vyavastha, all are feminine words. That's why we use prachalita. If it was some another word, pullinga word, masculine word, तो प्रचलितः. न्यूटर वर्ड, नपुंसकलिंग, प्रचलितम. बट यहाँ जो भी दिया है वो प्रचलिता वर्ड के साथ इजीली मैच होता है. लेट्स से इट. एषः शुकः, दिस इज अ पैरट. तस्य मनुष्यवाणी प्रचलिता. व्हाट इज फेमस? मनुष्यवाणी, द वे ही स्पीक्स ह्यूमन लैंग्वेज. एषः कुक्कुरः, तस्य स्वामी भक्तिः प्रचलिता. दिस इज अ डॉग. And what is popular? How he is devoted to his master. Saha Rashtrapita. I should be doing from far because Saha is written. Saha means he. So Eshaha is this and Saha means that. That is our Rashtrapita, father of nation. Tasya Sankalpa Shaktihi Prachalita. The way he says, okay, now we will be doing this moment, civil disobedient movement, satyagraha moment. So the sankalpa he takes is important. Saha shikshakah, that is a teacher, not a female teacher, a male teacher, sir. Tasya karya nishtha prachalita, the way he is devoted towards his work is popular. Chhatralayah, hostel where students live. Tasya vyavastha prachalita, the way the hostel is managed is popular. In the comments, tell me the name of your school and say Vidyalayasya dash prachalita. What is popular regarding your Vidyalaya? Okay, meet you in the next chapter. Dhanyavadaha, Punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.